Uh, yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to another short video on uh, NIRF rankings 2020, and it was released on 11th June by Honorable MHRD Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Already in the last video, I have told about the various categories of the rankings which was given by NRF, like overall, university, engineering, management, pharmacy, in college, medical, law, architecture, and dental. In the last video, we have given about the university. Now we are going to look at this engineering category. Yes, yeah. These are the top 100 institutes or universities which got rankings, and there are many more are there, so where you can go to the link and you can check it out. The first rank secured by IIT Madras with the score 89.93. If you go into the details, the TLR, the parameters earlier, which I have put in the earlier video, you can go through that. Teaching learning out of 100, the score is 95.42, and research 94.64, and graduate outcome 83, outreach and inclusivity 61.31, perception, it's got 100 out of 100 perception. If you want in details about the number of graduates, like faculty to student ratios, as well as the salary details of the students, and the infrastructure and the budget of the institute, you can click onto this PDF where you can see the details more. Similarly, the IIT Delhi secured the second rank with score 88.08. See, there is no much difference between the first and second rank. There is only the minor, and the score which I've gotten by IIT Delhi is TLR uh, 90, so which is less than the IIT Madras. Similarly, we'll see the IIT Bombay also, so which are the top 3 institutes. Yeah, so research, in research, the IIT Madras stood the second, and even though the IIT Delhi is more than other two, IIT Madras as well as Bombay, due to various factors like perception and as well as outreach and inclusivity, it fallen second. The graduate outcome is 80, and the outreach is 64, and perception is 94. In the case of IIT Bombay, you see these three parameters, graduate outcome is very less. It means that you can think of students may drop out, or the exam evaluation may be strict. In that, there may be several cases for this. Outreach is very less when compared to this, and perception is also a bit late. 92 it has got. If you want more details, you can click onto the PDF where you can get more. Yeah, and fourth goes to IIT Kanpur, fifth goes to IIT Kharagpur, sixth goes to IIT Roorkee, seventh goes to IIT Guwahati, eighth goes to IIT Hyderabad. So this is the first institute to place in top 10 from Telangana. There is no another institute from Andhra. Top 9th NIT, so this is a good sign. One NIT placed in top 10, which is competing with the IITs. And 10th is IIT Indore, 11th BHU, 12th Indian School of Mines, 13th NIT Karnataka, 14th Anna University, and 15th VIT. Yeah, so VIT placed in top 15. This is one of the private institutions, and It is also equally performing and competing with the national or Indian institutes. And 17th, Jadavpur University. 18th, uh, ICT. 19th, NIT Warangal. 20 is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, so which is Amrita University, so which is a IOE status university too. And 21 is Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology. 22 IIT Bhubaneswar. 23 NIT Calicut. 24 IIT Gandhinagar. 25 Indian Institute of Ropar. So these are the top 25 institutes in NIRF ranking. It means that there are few private institutions like Amrita and VIT, so which is equally performing to the IITs or NITs. So even if you are not able to get the seat in these institutes, you can even opt these private institutions too. Even NITs are well performing better than IITs. So this video is only to tell that uh, believe only in this NIRF rankings. Don't believe any other uh, private magazine rankings or newspaper rankings. So those are maybe paid also, because even a few rankings has been seen in that in a city like Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. The local rankings will be given. They will not mention the parameters also, but this is the given by MHRD itself, so you can believe this and don't go for any other local rankings. So if you believe that this video is helpful, please share among it your friends. Thank you.